Yeah, that's not a, yeah.
I think that'll be enough to catch you. And kind of opposite on this, you know, especially if it's windy like this, when y'all are, you know, getting better and better at it. If it's out of the water like this, it'll kind of catch the boat and keep them on.
Gotcha.
If it's too deep, you know, then it's like just free floating a little bit.
Right.
But,
and the wind can do whatever it wants.
Yeah. Here he can kind of land it wherever those poles will push him where he needs to go.
So the poles stay on all the time. We never take those off or anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. A little more this way if you can get it. That should be good there. Also, let me kick you back a little bit. Offside, so I don't know if it's just you, not you, but in fact there is somebody, is what I mean. You want me to back off and try to get him? I think you're on. I don't know why I flipped it a little this way. Maybe, I guess let's pull it out and see how it looks. I don't know if it'll level out. Maybe try to kick it this way a little bit, maybe kick that stern over a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Alright, I think that looks better. No. We'll see.
How far up do you ring that?
We'll want it up snug to the key so just get it where it's snug on that key ring there. That way it's all the way up against the bow stop. And then he's probably already done it. You're good, Austin. But he'll trim that drive all the way up. That way it doesn't scrape the ramp coming out.
Gotcha, yeah.
That's locked.